The HP touchpad is an amazing new device. It's the first tablet to run webOS. Here are a few applications that I was using. This is my email, messaging, photos, and so on. We call each of these a card. To work with a card, I just touch it, and I can see the application full screen. I can rotate the device to landscape and all the applications orient themselves. And I can press the center button to go back to the card view. What I can do is stack them together. To open a new application, I can either use the quick launch bar at the bottom, or I can touch here to bring up the launcher. Let me launch the calendar application. Our calendar application synchronizes with multiple sources such as Exchange, Facebook, and Google. I can view all my appointments in a single view layered together using Synergy. Press the center button and go back. And when I'm done using an application, I can just swipe it off the screen and close it. Email is another application that makes great use of the large screen of the touchpad. To see the rest of my Gmail inbox, I can just drag this handle to the right and there it is. And just drag this handle to the right once again and easily switch to my Exchange inbox. Of course, the touchpad is great for fun stuff as well. Here's a video that a friend of mine sent to show my daughter. The touchpad supports Adobe Flash, so you can experience more of the web.
You guys, did you see that? I just was like, what?
The touchpad is great for playing 3D games like Armageddon Squadron 2. It's very addictive. It's not just about immersive gaming. The touchpad is a great experience for immersive reading as well. And for that, we have partnered with Amazon for Kindle. The Kindle application gives me access to my Kindle library, but also new books from the Kindle store. Oh, looks like I'm receiving a call. Hey Dave, how you doing?
Great, Sachin. How you doing? You got a minute?
Not really. Kind of busy right now. Can I call you back?
Sure.
All right. Bye, Dave. The touchpad is not just about fun and games. It's also designed to be a great business device. We support enterprise applications as well. Let me show you an example with Citrix. Using Citrix Receiver, an employee can choose which application he or she wants from their company's app catalog. The applications get added to the employee's home space so they're easy to find and launch. Let's launch AutoCAD. Notice the level of detail in the image and the smoothness of the performance. This application is really intensive. It's running in a remote data center and transferred over the air to the touchpad. And if I press the center button to go back to the card view, you can see that the application is still running in the background. So whether it's for work or for fun, multitasking on touchpad does more for you. I'm planning to have dinner tonight with a friend, and he was going to email me a restaurant recommendation. Why don't I use Just Type and search for it? I can just type my friend's name, Paul. There I see 2 emails from him. I select the email about the restaurant. There I go. Touch the URL. That loads the restaurant website. But I have to head out, and I'm not taking my touchpad with me. However, I am taking my Pre 3. And when I bring the 2 together and touch, we call this touch to share. It allows us to pair webOS devices and to share information between them. And that's the magic of HP webOS.